Che neren dialie neren chaba kamal chabur kamal gwa benten na no ko ngar che ma nyala na zaruba madu ben de luyot kaja kali yun dwal jang ga cha ku me I name him nak jang ni katal denga katal denga da bana adu katal denga nak jang ni min ma denga yubu zede la ka la ga ka min ma man denga yubu to rukun ma su cha ku zede wala homeless fi homeless no TV homeless no remote zede homeless zede ya denga bigo ba ko ba tal mi to ko je dung jana le man mo je pet homeless no TV homeless fi bela da denga pani je homeless no TV wala ya da ja tamam ziyada e ja ku ka katal denga na jani ne guman a jam jor de ba naru gang dor kir wayami there's feel like mother the cop they chap quick there the cop Kunu jin homeless anytime denga disagree with you the lama call is homeless riang ma shal homeless to ko you ne de algo homeless when you disagree with them me ji nyin jang no lok me ji dung jang no mo je pet tawali jang beran homeless do ja kuj homeless do TV homeless do mulabit jede de homeless da jono de what the fuck katal denga nik denga nak jang jam jor de yo sum de ja kuj de Well, kor jete ga tamadong kor Jonglei state jete ga tamadong tet kuma lenga na me yanwar pala kain talat ga social media icha nwara dak kena lwer chiang che wa maladi kor ga nwar I will say nothing. If people are talking politics, right now, don't see other lana dear, don't noir. Nano noir. Still have a lot of homework in politics. And politics is gossiping. See how they're gossiping. Unwer, my bad of gossiping. Noir, but Raja, but that's ne me there. A method. But in politics, me there sometime a method. Sometime a me bore. That's why Nuer still have a lot of homework in politics. But me let go dunkor. Chana dear, and I know nuer capability ta nuer fi department ta war department bata war department she ngak nam da ngak no are ka dung war department because that's what nuer know better than anything. So chama chi kuma ben ukidenga ja hukuma da dengaograng the guy by the name of Garang Atang, and he was making noise. La the Nyenkaine, we capture Yai, we capture what? Jawa, ooh, guy, Yai their cup, what their cup? I can't doubt the yacht. The man were then. And it's a chapter that you kuma GSPLIO, Kuma SPLIO. I know SPLIO is a government too. So, then when Chaga lived up, but also le denga de, Ukuma da denga. Woman Jaffi what? Mabizol. Another government what? Woman Jaffi Yai Mabizol, another government Yai. Then Garara Java Bara, Shibul Brown, Young Muzzlot, Young Matara Noir. Young Matara Noir. Budunga Koba Bene Moike Pek on 31st February, Akoba backup Jikuma, according to a spokesperson, but Oman al Banado, Chibol Bangop, Chibol Bangop. I don't give a fuck, a Chibol Bangop. Then, General Nolan, he came outside, Chidunga Koba Moike Pek, that's after 3 days, I will be in Akoba. Yawa, ooh. Olan ngujangwa kujana akoba banazba le nuer but allow the White House akoba banazba but a nuer but allow a White House the White House they like White House in Washington DC. So to capture akoba you need to work hard. She made a lot bang you need to work hard Lana, that's where you will meet. That's where you will meet Gun Mamor United. Fiakoba. That's where you will meet Gun Mamor United Fiakoba. These two groups, Gun Mamor. So to take over Akoba, you need a little bit of work, not just saying things like Bene Akoba Cup after Arbayom or Bene Dunglel Yaman Akoba Moike Pek, Malat Gabol Brown. While we're speaking now, Budunga Koba, Ted the Aldeya Moige boat, Palane de Yanak. Ted the Aldeya Moige boat, Fia Koba, Gadunga Koba, Kakama Kalta. Chulukal Kan Dorobukulu, Pichakala de Koba, when they attempted to capture a Koba. Panaje, Kapan Matot. Men get to walk a Jikuma, Chadelat. That's why you see the government is so quiet. The morale of government went low. Lano, Ukuma, Tere, Nuer kan kedip man socket. I came here before, and I said, Salva Kiir become a big supplier of weapon to SPLIO. While Riek Machar is in jail, God for house arrest for Juba, Salva Kiir is supplying Y Army, and SPLIO was new Silla. I was not just talking. I know what I was talking about. Gadamulu mobilization, Bidi Bijibu, SPLIO Baga Lebdup, Talgum, woman for Tawlum Sugar, Talgum, Bia. Ukuma wasn't for Yai, Ukuma wasn't for Pajot, Ukuma wasn't for Ayot. What? Now, Jen Kuma Ted definition where Koba, Talumachi Koba. That's where they met really Nuer power. Nuer power. While we're speaking now, ma wagon, but I should look God from Malakal. Ma wagon, but I will let I should look at the Rabu for Mala. El Cataluda Mapakalam. Take a knock chakalat. Almat Fieta wire me my SPLIO, Kadunga Koba. Silla Ramaritan. But Ted ya no ma wagon kulu jibone dial, Chara no makal. The question is, Lema Bashiluman for Juba, Jen la close place. Well, Salva Kiir mind of group. Salva Kiir mind of group but I like. Salva Kiir in Usla could be 8 years old, you fight for him. Because Salva Kiir ter. But much I mo the boat, I can yell you man, I can yell you more liu. Salva Kiir still a yo Elijah. As a job woman, I can allow woman for Malta, UN Lana, UN is still functioning for Malakal. The Rwanda, judge with Rwanda, that UN also your part. Like in judge with India, Elizabeth. Judge with India, but UN keeping peacekeeping forces, little people Malakal. So Jabu, my working that you look the Kulu, Shal Malakal. Also, oh man. That but the Robita Fieta Salva Kiir no could Musule but up. Elebe Jibita and the family but I can allow you. But it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. You know? So call your bed kuma. Call your take a time down. Call your read to read a lamajet. Okuma chakala galaf for the Okuma. Okuma dafa taman. Okuma dafa taman. Chakala bata walumbare. Wa walumbare da. Uchakala ta umbare. Kasarat kulu la okuma. Dama kasarat bese. Nasal madama bakalamu. Lan woman said the Madil get it, my war, but SPLI was just misleading them that Jim Sala the Jew, Salal get it. SPLI misses more than Talada Tang above. Get it. Tell Sharama Bakalamu, Sila Batama Bakalamu, Leah de Charlotte. That's why now you see the government is very quiet. Paul Nang alamali rabam dade laga nafso fi Juba ga de prince bi musaj fa gal wa yan Paul Nang de bukuna yan to mamsu ga koba Chebul Brown Paul Nang biga yan ga bal mamsu ga koba kalam de kep riya gay kok al gal yam da budung riya mu jar moy ge pek cha dung na moy ge pek ko riya gay kok Algal budung riang mishar moy ke pek wale. Dia gay ko galele. Wagib mawi di. SPLI woye pi musaj ba ngop. Chai luek chang de toro ku da kor no araga beje. Itu big SPLI fi Nairobi. Noir jang jang. Kalam al gali am da de asade dia gay ko. That's SPLI paying his bill with Musaifa for Nairobi. Lana, Ukuma da Denga de, they need you when you are strong. Like when you become weak, Denga will never take responsibility of paying bill, but I'm Musaifa. Mavit, yaw de judge with a shulu for Malakal Kulu. Awala da shulu got the Robo de Kulu Katiri for Malakal. Real guy called for SPLI for Nairobi nak. Denga will use you like condom. Denga will use you like condom. Lo Nuer can maga the shit himself when Nuer said that for media, but I know that Denga is using some people like condom. It is true. It is true. Ma fitre katane. Lano riya guy cock. Meji chuonga jangzolo wuga ma Denga. Alele SPLIO is the one paying his bill for Musaifa for Juba, for Ajede, for Nairobi. Lana Denga ma ba bill without. Wally Governor for that matter, not just a simple person. Governor. Government of Salva Kiir cannot pay his bill. Ila uyidi acting president, but our SPLIO came to his rescue to pay the bill. Uyidi meje Musaifa. Ita ma cha abzol to kuma. Kene ran kuma nen for Musaifa wagi mazole. Yo, the law Bible, but SPLIO, born again SPLIO. What? Born again SPLIO, real guy cook, born again SPLIO. Baptized by SPLIO. Big achievement. But we don't know. We want real guy cook to live to tell the history of Tadenga. We want real guy cook to live to tell the history of Denga. History of William Nyon. William Nyon went ahead to kill Gajak randomly. Kayen Nyon Kuma, Kayen Nyagani, Bayan Nagandial, changa be mo koy golfin be nogen dial de nyon rain nyon de. After you kill Nuer, what happened? They try to kill him. They try to kill him without saying thank you. Ajade pibil pamalele. Ajade pibil pamalele ma bisura bata Nuer fo. Ma bisura da William Nwan. Ma bisura bata Samuel Gaitut. Ma bisura da Riang Machar. Ma bisura da Izol. The danga bas yoga pibil pam. The John Garang udanga o Salva Kiir udanga. William Nwan amdade. That made SPLA to be strong. Yal batawa le tabanin. Tabanin. God William one day they working they surviving on their own. Woman were out of Junub Sudan when. One up on a time Baba but woman they all can big posts with a danga. Killing Gajak. Threading Gajak. Intimidating Gajak. Being used like a condom. Hoping that girl feet Tarir Gadamalu. Danga, manipulating everybody. The same way they manipulate Olan. Ria Gaikok, Olan Shal Yalda Shuluk Fishakala, Alele Yala Mindo Elite. Olan where nobody know. Rajaoman Layet and Shuluk for Malakal. Yamda, I came here and said Yalda Shuluk at the Robode, Shalu Fijuba, woman big Afin Fijuba. Ila family obedi grush. So now, when you are strong, mungu di bume, SPLA weye, by inoga SPLA. Soon, te waga darobita, you become an army of your family. Askari to your family. Because only your family will take care of your bill to Musaifa. Salva Kiir is not taking care of bill. Well, Salva Kiir ma khaltan. Salva Kiir cannot be blamed. Those who being used like a condom, they are the ones to be blamed. They should blame themselves. They should blame themselves. Salva Kiir laga bas panediar. Panediar bas dola bata nuswan. Dola bata sajmanin. Dola bata another banadu jej, a club banadu jej, woman bumchi be 2 years without salary. 2 years gal jej bata dola. Woman bumchi sana 10 budun me year, woman lisa gadi bikadam Salva Kiir. The dola ta bleeding. Dola ta sajmanin. Dola ta sajmanin is what you do to them. Dola ta sajmanin they are what you do to them, what you does to them. Lo jayde lisa bagola SPLA wangot bejan buduna kil buduna yaja woman lisa ga record SPLA wangot. How can we blame Salva Kiir? Wala sagar Charles West Africa lele fi good direction. Captain Ibrahim is too tall for West Africa ugal siyazin ko somkum amaling love le siyazin amaling love le gada ta jej with the man seniority gal fuck all this seniority yo gada karabo Africa gal dongazem gondidizem moindidizem yo gada karabo Africa dung gal dongazem dung godidizem dung moindidizem yo gada karabo Africa bao bara. Walele, Captain Ibrahim is doing well. Like I said, man, but now fall down there. It's not doing well. My do me year. Uliza got to call it now. SPLA wangot. SPLA wangot. But doing me year. My body Malta Maravata went. While Adunikid is playing casino in it. Adunikid got a lot of group with a Paul down. Group digest. But could you casino, Benik, Bamal Chunu? Babara Baguruj, Bashar Marisa, Baguruj with a fall down. Group with a jet. Fall down the jury now, but SPLA wangot. Maravata mind to Akil. Yal mind to Akil, Mobile Malta Yal without when. And is still protecting Salva Kiir. Ashan Salva Kiir was. You could be Addis Ababa Humbari, or you call them the General Sagara now. Da, papa, ra. Galo gara English. Figure Africa Kulu, shaming the entire African nation. Garamul Fidil, Africa Kulu. So who can we blame? The man Salva Kiir was, Panadiar was laga better, said manin better, and one bet my few rujal. They rather go kill children than where. Paul Nang rather, Mchi shackle Morton than where, than the shackle Salva Kiir. Salva Kiir has got a cool group without it. People from da gal le fall nang. That's a call meeting as PLA tia kabo jamara kabo jorse. Tarjama yo manana bagsu yo manana balga dola batana fall nang ita bukun de guru ketir. Mara batak belibis daf. Alele dola da jakalas. Mara da fall nang liza maji baliwara. Mara da salbakir mayal da salbakir uman gadala bu guru bita dola. O salbakir jej de ma de go la enough is enough. They more in there no na kede you busy fly video to cry for them. That's jej bita na mind do tain mind do akil. Jej kan ba amal difa lena. Jej kan ba amal difa lena. Now we jej endusla we are the one protecting them. Sajmanin akalaf. Anona yo gari shagal we fighting for their right. Lakin they cannot fight for their right. Lanuman gari ko abin salbakir. So dollar bigger dollar that's all white. Dollar bigger dollar the family. The country is run by one man and his family. So who can we blame? No Darabita or Maba Lajuta or Rajata for Malakal for unanimous. Who can we blame? We blame leaders betagum. Nazola in the woman Charles La Galidu Mikela Kalam Pinchala Ma Pinchala Ale Chulu Liga Boktulu fi Malakal in the clip Ma Pinchala. All I might now was got a shield talamat. Who can we blame? Lo judge betag with the robo? It be shield judge betag with Shagala. Lakin lo the robo, bigger judge with a shuluk. Yam down another bagul and another shuluk. Ma the shield judge with a shuluk and Ma the shield judge that the judge with a pinchala. You know Sudan lo boga for bar. Lo few too many rebel. None of your business. I don't know Michel about with Sudan. For example, Nuer Catalo. Nuer there Kalamazola Cataloman. Nuer want to talk to Salva Kiir, Madanga Katal Nuer for Juba for 2013 because there is an answer question. An answer question. Sual ma jobu that the munu Katal Nuer for living with Talatacher. Sual that there jobu. That question need answer. The munu Katal more than the Nuer actor min Arbeir Alim more than 40,000 in 2013. An answer question need to be answered by Salva Kiir, Madanga Bataude. Chuluk Bajai, Shalwa Rada Batak. Lana Lele, bed with a king few danga, and now there are few danga, abanim few danga. An answer question. So I let there is Halo, the Munugat Verada de Shuluk. I don't do Mishila Vijunuzan. Yow to Vichuba Lele, yow. Meshi Charlie Dara Batau. Not a father bigger gatir. Yow, ma murle Charlie Dara Batau, into Jay Batau Manado Cobra, woman Mabu Kupi Muchala Junuf. Loit ma Mishi will lie Batam, Idara Batau Man Mavsal Zoltan. Salva Kiir Mishi, he went on mobilizing Murle, Gal Mulem, he shackle ma Nuer. In the said Mulem, he drop danga. Aye, drop danga, Rujal Asili, Chub Rujal Olan, Chub Rujal Kef. Danga kan bagul Murle, they believe the belt and the Nalchuluk. Then I'll like Amolu mobilize Murle, Galo Mole, I be a year ganuare. Badung Noir, Mojafe Mole, Galma Majula Gibsla. Ukit Kalam Tanuer Jade, Mole Meji, Mora da Danga, Doro Mora da Danga, da Wurtamam, Katalu, Ushal, Talada, Alif Rasbegger. Danga Gal, Imula Rot, what? The man has school about Molu youth, you know, you cannot use everybody for South Sudan like condom. Fika bell with you Sudan, Danga, Mabu Quid Loman, Gabila the Tafosa, Gabila the Letuka, Gabila the Boy, Gabila the Morle, it's a Mabu Quid Loman before the Tagba. Loaded beggar, not a beggar. Loaded Tagayan, not Tagayan. Loaded the Robsula, the shoulder woman. The mamang my shuluk batak by jai, my yak batak by jai, my door batak, Nazal Banaro, Nas barida if Juba bar is figure kurudare, leg woman, said the woman, do woman, left and right. Lakin figure bell with Junusan Kayarba, Gabel get it out, Gabila the Morle, Gabila the Tefoda, Gabila the Boy, Gabila the Letugo, it among you know Saga. What above all, then where the bell comes up with Junusan, but that you will never play again with them. They don't give a fuck. They get in the tayara, mind the tayara. They do not give a fuck. Now they mind their business. Lakin when you interfere with their business, but don't know what you pay. The comes a gabel bus. Then I got a call minu fijinu sret. The nuer, the letuga, the father, the boy, the mole. Comes a gabel bus. Then I ma bejir of calamity woman. Lana gabel ma got attack. Gabel ma got a calam gatir. Gabel ma got a calam besiaza. They will just fuck you up. It's a mang moment that talga to wall. I the mood. I the kulu mood. Lakin nas but hallelujah then as baru nas chulu de utale mama tale ne danga bane kuman kul mayambus.